Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make money online from Côte d'Ivoire. As we can see here, Côte d'Ivoire is having thousands of unemployed people in the country, and that can make money online. So to make money online, you you don't need the best way to make money online without any investment and capital is through freelancing. So the best website for the freelancing is Fiverr. So Fiverr is a marketplace where you can sell the products to the business owner and potential buyers. So what to sell? We have to sell uh, the our skills like social media management, content writing, video editing, and other things. Okay, so it's a very great platform to the freelancers and as for the buyers, so you can use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.